my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Cheri. I post new videos every week. Today I have a Disney haul for you. All of these items came from Shop Disney with the exception of one, which is very sad for me. So I'm gonna start with that item. These. So these are from a shop on Etsy called Shimmering Ever After, and I follow them on Facebook. I also follow them on Instagram. But this is sad because we purchased these for a Disney cruise that was canceled. So we were supposed to be on the Disney Dream, there it says, on August 27th, we were going to be on a 3-night, 4-day cruise out of Port Canaveral, going to the Bahamas and Castaway Cay. We were very excited about it. We booked it back in January, and I saw these on my Facebook like at the beginning of February, and I was like, oh my god, I have to have these. These will be perfect for a trip announcement. I'll put them on. So we had booked our cruise, and just a few days later I saw these posted on Facebook, and I showed them to my husband. I'm like, oh my god, I have to have them. And this was back in February. They have been sitting in my closet. I thought they'd be perfect for a trip announcement. I could wear them on the cruise. They were absolutely adorable, and we found out earlier this week that our cruise has been canceled. So we are super bummed. It was going to be part of an entire trip where we were going to do Disney, Universal, and the cruise. We're going to be gone for like 10 days. We haven't quite figured out what we're going to do yet, if we're going to still go to Disney and Universal. So TBD, stay tuned. But I wanted to share these with you because I don't know when I'll wear them. We are going to take a future cruise credit for our cruise, so we do plan on going on another cruise in hopefully 2021, but I don't know if we're going to be going on the Dream, so I don't know if I'm ever going to wear these, but they're super cute and I love them. Okay, on to the next item. Everything else that I have to show you is jewelry. That's just the way it worked out. I don't really know why. I'm going to start with these bracelets. This was it's a pair actually. And my husband got these for me, or my son got them for me for Mother's Day. And they are Elastigirl, and then the disc says Mom from The Incredibles. Let's see, can you see this one? There we go, that's probably a better shot. So they are Elastigirl, and then the disc says Incredible Mom. They are Alex and Ani bracelets. They are gold. I love them. I don't have any gold Alex and Ani bracelets. I have filmed an Alex and Ani collection video, and I will go ahead and link it in the description box below and up above. So I'm excited to add these to my collection, and I really love them. Next is another Alex and Ani. This I also got for Mother's Day. This is Sorcerer Mickey, and it is from the Ink and Paint collection, and if you watch my channel, you know that I love Sorcerer Mickey. And I love that it has, can you see like the little paint can, and it says Ink and Paint. And this one's cool because on this side it is colored, and on the other side, I don't know if you're gonna be able to even see it. And then on this side, it's really hard to see. It is the line drawing. Can you see that? So it's very different. This bracelet is the shiny silver, super cute. Really excited to add that to my collection. Next I have a couple of necklaces. I'm going to start with this one. This is from Shop Disney, and it is this is a little C with polka dots, and then it has a little mini on there. I know it's so hard to see. It's actually not that small, but they keep kind of going on top of each other. But this was really inexpensive. It's super cute. It's kind of an everyday like little necklace that I can wear, and I think it's made for little girls, but that's okay because I love it. And next is another necklace. This was from my husband and my son for Mother's Day, and it is silver with rhinestones with a little rose gold mini bow. and then it has this little heart that says mom. I thought that this was Rebecca Hook because that's what it looks like to me, but it's actually from a brand called LA Rocks. This necklace is no longer available on Shop Disney. If the items that I'm showing are still available, I will go ahead and link them in the description box below. But this one is not, and I'm sorry because it is super cute. I love it. It's nice because it's a little bit more subtle and more of an everyday kind of necklace that you could wear, and I'm really excited to have received this. Next is a Pandora charm. I already have it on my Pandora bracelet, but let me show it to you. All right, so there it is. It is a little mini with a bow, and it's silver. And then on the other side is a little Mickey. It's super cute, and my husband got it for me for our anniversary, so it does hold a special meaning. And in fact, I do have a Pandora ring. I'm not wearing it today. And it has the bow. It has the same like little pink rhinestone bow as the charm, so I love that I have that and it matches. That is my Shop Disney haul and my ears. I hope you enjoyed this video. Tell me in the comments below which item that I received is your favorite. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would love for you to subscribe if you have not already. I post new videos every week. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!